What's going on, guys? It's me, Ridwan again. Today, guess what we'll be making? We'll be making flapjack. Ready? So guys, if you don't know about flapjack yet, it's really healthy, mainly because this bad boy right here called oats here, it makes it really healthy. And it makes the flapjack healthy. And also, if you have like syrup here, you can make the flapjack with a syrup here, but I decided to make it with honey. You see that? And just to let you know that I usually like to have it my own, to make the food my own way. So I'm gonna be making it with some chocolate chips. So guys, yeah, I don't know if you noticed this here, but flapjack is actually is my first time making this recipe, and I never had it before, so I'm excited to make this. This is also one of the shortest baking recipe to make, and trust me guys, it doesn't require a lot of ingredients to make. You just only need like about 5 ingredients. So yeah. Guys, the first thing you need to do is set your gas on a medium heat here and get out your butter. Next up, you're gonna get your brown sugar and you're gonna put it in next. Next up guys, you're gonna get your oats here. It's time to add some honey. Right, stop. Good. Now guys, it's time to mix it, and I got my wooden spoon here. Okay guys, as you can see that the color is now gone darker, so there we go. And if you like it, you can still keep on mixing it. Alright guys, at this point here, this next part is that you can add which one you like. So for me here, I like chocolate chips cookies. Anyway guys, so this next one here is optional. You can either put whatever you want, like you know, like raisins, what else?
Peanut butter?
Yeah, peanut butter. But for me, yeah, I decided to choose chocolate chips because I'm a huge fan of eating chocolate. There you look at this. There you go. Now it's time to mix it, guys. Guys, before we put anything in the oven here, make sure you get out a baking tray and a baking powder.
LOL! It's baking paper!
And then when you get them out, yes, you're gonna get out your flapjack and you're gonna put it on top of the baking paper. God, oh my gosh. It's my chance to go like you. Alright guys, so now it's time to put it in the oven, so I'm going to put it in the oven right now. Okay guys, now I'm going to let it to bake for 20 minutes, but always remember to check on it when it's ready, yeah. Make sure you keep on doing it all the time, yeah, and so it doesn't not burn, and when it's ready, yeah, it must be golden brown. So guys, after 20 minutes that I put it in the oven, yeah, I let the flapjack cool down for 10 minutes. And now here is the final product. Yeah, look at all those colors. Looks so nice. So guys, I recommend you make this recipe because it's very easy and it's like the shortest bakery recipe that I ever made. And one more thing, I actually forgot to do this, but yes. Anyway, bye and assalamu alaikum. You know what I mean?